The first alert SCO501CN-3ST combination smoke and carbon monoxide alarm with voice location detects both smoke and carbon monoxide in a single device. The alarm interconnects with up to 18 other first alert-enabled alarms in your home to create a wireless safety network. The photoelectric smoke sensor is designed to reduce false alarms from cooking smoke or shower steam while remaining sensitive to real danger. The advanced electrochemical CO sensor detects carbon monoxide leaks from multiple sources, including faulty fuel-burning appliances. A loud 85 decibel siren and a voice alarm with 11 programmable locations indicate where and what the threat is. Easy access battery drawer, no need to remove the alarm from ceiling to change the battery. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Battery-operated smoke and carbon monoxide alarms can be installed easily. Number 2. Connects multiple alarms together for a wireless safety network. Number 3. The voice alarm gives a clear indication of where the problem is located. Number 4. Features photoelectric smoke sensor and electrochemical CO sensor. Number 5. One button silences a false alarm and tests the unit. Loud 85 decibel alarm. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.